Hi everyone, Jayesh Panigrahi this side. I am a second year master student at IIM Sirmaur. Remembering the golden words of Mr. Rahul Gandhi when he said, Idhar se alu dalo, udhar se sona nikalo analogy, I would say the black box in this process for me was Sangramjit sir. And it goes without saying who the potato was. I will forever acknowledge the fact that he created the playbook of my life in hardly a year's time. He answered questions in minutes which would have actually taken me years or maybe a decade or so to find answers to. That's the level of expertise he has got. Apart from the astounding on paper professional results that Confidence Factory has to its name, it's basically the charisma and the aura of Mr. Sangramjit Pujari that actually makes a world of a difference. I have always prioritized my mental well being as that's where I struggled the most. I was struggling with accepting the fact that I was good enough, and that's when I decided to open up to him. What did I have to lose anyway? The man has a very powerful set of eyes, and if you know how to read them, you just know that he knows. Sangramjit sir knows things. The way he shaped my life from that point onwards is the reason why I am sitting before you. Now, confidence is a highly abused term, I would say, and very few people actually try to analyze it. I'm not there yet, but yeah, I've got my way straight. I converted some 9 odd B schools last year, and my master's is going pretty fantastic. He is nothing but an inspiration to me, and I'm nothing but fortunate to be in his good books. And yes, never ever refer him as Sangram sir. It's always Sangramjit sir. Thank you.